Hello friends, welcome back to channel. Today we will discuss about difference between normal user and a root user. Root is a super user as I already explained you. So I have logged in as a pregnant user. Okay, this user will able to run if config, but if I do shut down, okay, it's showing failed to set wall message, ignoring. Failed to call scheduled shutdown in login. No action will be taken. Interactive authentication are required. So normal user cannot shut down a system or power off. Same any daemon we cannot call using a normal user. So that's the thing. There are some certain commands which normal user can run, and there are some commands which only root user can run. How you differentiate what are the commands? So /bin. These are the commands which normal user can run. Okay, you cannot restart a service sshd status. Okay, it is running, but if you do restart, it won't. It is prompting for password. So it's requiring Ubuntu or root user password. If you enter your password, it won't work. It will again prompt. So there are some certain command which the system has designed only normal user can run, and there are some command only root user can run. These are the command which only root user, super user can run. So question is, I cannot give root access to everyone. I cannot share my root password to everyone. And what's the solution? So here comes one privilege we can escalate to one more level, and for that we are having a command sudo sudo. Okay, and sudo stands for super user 2. So if I use sudo, I will able to run that command on behalf of root user, like sudo lvs. Okay, without sudo, if I'm giving, it's giving fail message, but if I put sudo lvs, although lvs is not there, that's why we are not getting any output, but we are not getting any error. So as I already told you, add user command or k, we are not able to run using normal user, but if I put in a beginning sudo, okay, it got created because this vagrant user escalated his privileges as a root, and he has executed that command using a root privileges. So sudo super user 2 user add k. Now let's see it got created or not. Tail /etc card reloading. Okay, you are able to see user got created, and with a normal user you cannot create, but if we are using sudo, we will be able to create that thing. So that's the sudo command super user 2, which is escalate the privilege level from your current level to root user. Okay. Second thing, how users are able to use sudo. So I have already given a permission. Let me sudo switch to a root user. Okay. Then we will switch to su. Okay, we have logged in as a user k. Here if I use sudo user add l sudo password for k, because sudo user is not yet set.